Hi, I'm Gene Welty, Sales Director, Asia Pacific, and today we're in the manufacturing lab here in Tallinn, Connecticut, and we're working with Genetec Corporation from Japan, one of our resellers there.
今回このような貴重な機会を設けていただきましてありがとうございました。CNC ソフトウェア社のアプリケーションチームと一緒に作業することで、マスターキャムの理解をより深めることができました。
Genetec Corporation as a valued partner of CNC Software, it's good for them to get some experience with our applications engineers on some of our new tool paths and cutting strategies.
We have some material here from Japan, some S45. We've been going over some lathe dynamic turning and some multi-axis defer tool paths.
今回はこちらのワークを削りまして随分いい出来になったと思いマークさんには感謝しています。
今回はマキの D200 でこれを削りました。いいデータが取ることができました。
So this week we covered topics like accelerated finishing, some of the new 5-axis algorithms, and then really translating that over to the machine and running code on the machine and seeing the results in the parts as they came off the machine. It really solidifies what you're seeing inside a Mastercam when you can hold that part in your hand afterward. And it was really neat because, he speaks Japanese, I speak English, but we were able to communicate very easily through Mastercam, our common language.